Natural stone and engineered surfaces can bring timeless elegance or modern edge to your interiors, but not all materials are created equal. In this video, we'll dive deeper into the strengths, weaknesses, and best uses of stone, ceramic, and composite surfaces in your home. Whether you're designing a kitchen, bathroom, or a stylish entryway, the right material choice matters. Marble is prized for its luxurious veining and high-end appeal. White marble slabs with bold veining create a sense of luxury and spaciousness. Black marble adds contrast and elegance in modern workspaces and dining areas. However, it's porous and prone to scratching and staining. Etching and wear on marble surfaces are common with acidic foods and cleaners. Highlighting scratches under angled light shows how sensitive marble can be, making it best for low-traffic areas or as a statement piece. Powder rooms with dark marble sinks offer a moody, luxurious spa-like feel. Using marble in bedroom furniture adds a soft, upscale finish to the space. Pedestals and side tables made from marble work as decorative functional accents. Vertical marble slabs, used as wall panels, create architectural drama and pattern. Green-veined marble on bathroom floors adds luxury while coordinating with metals. Granite is denser and more durable than marble, ideal for hard-working kitchens. Close-up samples reveal the rich flecks and crystalline structure of natural granite. In bathrooms, granite vanities pair well with bold colors and metallic finishes. Its natural resistance to heat makes it a safe surface for active cooking zones. Granite is suitable for outdoor use, blending durability with timeless aesthetics. Scratch and heat tests help compare the durability of different granite grades. Watch out for visible cracks, uneven polish, and cloudy finishes in lower quality slabs. Lower-grade granite often comes in mismatched remnants or thinner offcuts. On-site inspections help ensure proper leveling and flaw detection before install. Colored granite islands can serve as statement pieces in vibrant kitchens. Integrated granite sinks offer a seamless and cohesive look in wet areas. Granite-topped desks give home offices a luxurious and grounded aesthetic. Travertine has a natural rustic look that works well in Mediterranean or Tuscan interiors. Its soft, pitted texture can be filled and polished or left raw for an organic surface. Travertine adds earthy warmth to bathroom walls and vanities, pairing well with wood tones. Limestone offers subtle movement and tone variation, often in sandy or pale grey hues. Both materials are porous and need regular sealing, especially in wet or high-use zones. Textured limestone on stairs and walkways offers visual interest and slip resistance. Check limestone and travertine samples for consistency, fill patterns, and tone balance. Limestone-clad fireplaces add elegance and visual softness to warm-toned interiors. In minimalist homes, large limestone tiles create a seamless, spa-like aesthetic. Slate offers a matte, layered texture that brings depth to rustic and contemporary spaces. Slate samples show subtle variation in tone, often in charcoal, rust, and blue-grey hues. In bathrooms, slate is commonly used on floors or accent walls for its slip resistance. Slate is naturally slip-resistant, making it ideal for wet zones like showers and entryways. Outdoor spaces benefit from slate's durability and earthy look, great for patios and pathways. Scratch testing slate helps evaluate how soft or brittle the material is before install. Some slates may flake or spool over time, so choose denser, higher quality stone when possible. Multicolour slate tile brings warmth and movement to kitchen backsplashes and entry walls. Dark slate fireplace surrounds add contrast to minimalist or industrial style interiors. Inspect slate tiles for cleft variation and surface consistency to avoid installation issues. Natural slate can be sealed for a richer, slightly glossy look in interior spaces. Used creatively, slate can elevate small areas like window ledges or stair risers with texture and mood. Quartz is a popular engineered surface that mimics natural stone but offers greater durability. Unlike natural materials, Quartz slabs are non-porous and don't require sealing. Homeowners love quartz for its consistent patterning and wide range of color options. White quartz countertops pair well with bold cabinetry, offering a crisp, modern look. Dark quartz tones bring depth and drama to kitchens and bath spaces without the upkeep of granite. Because it's engineered, quartz can include recycled glass or mirror chips for added sparkle. Be aware, quartz is heat-resistant but not heat-proof. It can withstand some heat but is vulnerable to high temperatures, which can cause discoloration, scorching, or cracking due to the resin used in its composition. To prevent damage, always use trivets or hot pads under hot cookware. Quartz is ideal for waterfall islands and integrated backsplashes due to its clean edges. Matte and leathered finishes are now available for those who want a softer, contemporary style. Because of its low maintenance and stain resistance, quartz is great for family-friendly homes. Inspect edge treatments and seams to ensure quality workmanship during installation. Quartz works beautifully in non-traditional areas like laundry rooms, entry tables, and even windowsills. Quartzite is a natural stone formed from sandstone under intense heat and pressure. It's often confused with quartz, but is a completely different material, dense and naturally veined. Unlike quartz, quartzite is heat-resistant and ideal for high-use kitchen zones. Polished quartzite countertops bring luxury and a marble-like appearance with improved durability. It can range from soft greys and whites to dramatic blues, greens, and rose tones. Sealing quartzite is essential to prevent staining, especially with wine, oil, and citrus. Close inspection shows quartzite's crystalline sparkle, a trait of its natural metamorphic origin. Because it's a hard material, fabrication and edge detailing require specialized tools. Use quartzite in areas where durability and sophistication are both priorities. Book-matched slabs make a dramatic statement in large installations like walls or islands. Natural quartzite slabs should be inspected for fissures or resin fill before purchasing. Quartzite is increasingly used in designer homes for its unique mix of beauty and resilience. Sintered stone is a man-made surface created by fusing raw minerals under extreme heat and pressure. It mimics the appearance of natural stone, but offers higher resistance to heat, stains, and UV exposure. These ultra-compact surfaces are ideal for outdoor kitchens, bathrooms, and sun-drenched interiors. Sintered stone comes in large format slabs with minimal seams, perfect for wall cladding and islands. The surface is extremely hard, making it highly scratch and impact resistant, even in high-traffic areas. Because of its density, sintered stone doesn't require sealing or intensive maintenance. It's available in polished, matte, and textured finishes, allowing a range of aesthetic applications. Cutting sintered stone requires diamond tools and expert handling due to its toughness. Color-through options ensure consistent appearance even at cut edges or rounded corners. Sintered stone is often used for minimalist vanities, shower panels, and seamless fireplace surrounds. Digital printing allows for dramatic stone-look designs, including veining and fossils. It's a premium choice for designers seeking performance, durability, and high-end visual appeal. Ceramic tile is cost-effective and widely used for backsplashes and bathroom walls. It's easy to clean but more prone to chipping. Porcelain is denser and more water-resistant, making it ideal for floors and showers. Tile itself is low maintenance, but grout is a different story. Use epoxy grout for stain resistance, or choose darker grout in high-use zones. Large format tiles minimize grout lines and make small spaces feel bigger. Textured tiles offer depth and dimension, especially in monochromatic schemes. Laminate has come a long way. It now mimics stone and wood convincingly. It's affordable, low maintenance, and lightweight, but can't withstand extreme heat or moisture. Laminate can't be refinished. Damage often means full replacement. Here's a quick breakdown. Marble is beautiful but high maintenance. Granite is durable and timeless. Quartz offers balance between form and function. Think about how you live. Kids, pets, heavy cooking, moisture, sunlight, all play a role. Investing in the right surface now can boost long-term appeal. Visit showrooms, request samples, and always ask about warranties and installation experience. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and explore our deep dives into wood, leather, metals, and more.